Let's face it, accidents happen, and they're nothing to be ashamed of. But it's a good idea to be prepared for the worst case scenario. And that's why we teamed up with SharkBite Max to give you 2 ways to get you out of a jam, just in case. So what exactly happened? You started off by thinking it would be a good idea to maybe hang a fixture on your wall. So you put your screw in. You felt a little resistance, but that didn't stop you. You kept going. And what happened next? You turned your living room wall into a water feature. And that's how we ended up where we are. But don't panic. Act quickly and swiftly, but don't panic. What you do in the next few seconds is crucial. Immediately shut your water off. Hang on, pause the video. Do you know where your water shutoff is? You should, it's super important. Otherwise, this might be your only option. Okay, you don't know where your shutoff is? Okay, it's full-blown panic time. Here's what we're gonna do. Smash a hole in the wall and cut the pipe. Then reach for your SharkBite Max end stop. These are perfect because they can be used on wet lines and without any special tools. You just push it on and the water will stop immediately. And now that the water's not flowing, you can take a deep breath, call a plumber. They'll come, show you where your main water shutoff valve is, and reconnect that pipe permanently for you. Now let's run that scenario again, only this time, you know how to shut your water off. So that's step 1. Let's get the water to stop pouring behind your walls by shutting off your main water supply valve. And once the water's not flowing anymore, the repair is pretty easy actually. So don't beat yourself up. Instead, give yourself a little opening in the wall. Then we're gonna remove the damaged section of pipe. So clean and mark the end, because for this repair, we're using SharkBite Max and their straight coupling. Their re-engineered fittings are stronger and even easier to install than before. So that means no soldering or crimping. So whether you screwed through copper, PEX, or most other types of piping, as long as you cut out the damaged section, deburr it, and then mark for the proper depth, you're good to go. Now all that's left is to gently push that fitting on, making sure that you hit your mark on both sides, and you've got a watertight solution permanently. Simple as that. You could close your wall up if you want. Or maybe get someone else to do it, someone that won't hit the pipes this time.